Hi again, dear mineral freaks and tech enthusiasts. Xenotime, embodying the tetragonal crystal system with its chemical formula YPO4, is a fascinating mineral rich in yttrium, pivotal for both rare earth element research and technological advancements. Predominantly found in granite pegmatites, metamorphic rocks, and hydrothermal veins, it highlights the intricate processes shaping our planet. Beyond its beauty, Xenotime's utility in high-tech applications, including lasers, phosphors, and ceramics, marks its significance in technology. It also plays a crucial role in radiometric dating, offering insights into the Earth's geological history. As a source of rare earth elements, Xenotime's study unveils the distribution and accessibility of these crucial materials, underscoring its importance in advancing technology and science. This rare earth phosphate mineral, often found alongside heavy minerals like zircon, serves as a testament to the Earth's complex crust formation processes and the conditions necessary for its occurrence. Xenotime's contribution extends far beyond its physical properties, promising potential in exploring new technological frontiers.